Dynamic speed feedback signs, which use radar to measure vehicle speeds in real time and issue targeted warning messages to drivers, are a proven strategy for slowing traffic and reducing crashes.
Dynamic signs are those signs like when you come on the road and they show your speed limit, and they may blink and they say you are too fast, slow down.
For the past several years, the Michigan Department of Transportation, or MDOT, has conducted a series of research studies to better understand how to design and install the signs so that they're more visible and effective at a variety of locations.
What do we looking for is what type of fonts they need on the dynamic sign, the size of the letters or the size of the number for the speed limit. That's what we're looking, some of the specs, or what type of LED are we looking for when you put the LED borders on the signs.
In the first phase, MDOT evaluated signs placed near freeway ramps. The second phase investigated the signs near mainline roads and roundabouts. And a third phase, which is scheduled to begin in late 2025, will evaluate the signs in school zones and other areas with heavy pedestrian traffic. Throughout the research, specifications were developed to give MDOT's engineers consistent guidance for installing and maintaining the signs effectively and consistently across the state.
That's very important, because if you put it in the wrong location, they are worthless. They don't mean anything. That's what we find out. We play, especially in the ramps with the location, we move them all over the place, on the left of the ramp, on the right, at the beginning of the ramp, further in the curve, until we find out what was the best location for them. And that's in the specifications that we run.
Because each sign is relatively expensive, MDOT can only use them in the most high-risk areas. But when properly placed, the signs influence driver behavior and get them to slow down by an average of 4 miles per hour.
We're happy to see that they are very useful when needed.
For more information, please visit MDOT's website.